Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VERI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I'll be the first to admit this chart is kind of sketchy. If you're a little confused by it, I totally get it. I mean, the price did make a great move, but then the price had a pretty big pullback, but it's not like the price totally crashed. However, it was still a pretty big pullback. So there is kind of a lot of gray area right now. So in my mind, there's a level on the chart that can really kind of help dictate, well, is this chart bullish or bearish going forward? And that's this level down here at $4.80. Why is $4.80 important? Well, let's look at a couple different scenarios here. In the first scenario, I'm not saying what's going to happen, but one potential scenario is that the price comes down here, breaks down through 480, and then just continues on down. At that point, what would the chart be telling you? It would be telling you that the price is right back inside of that range where it was before the nice move started. And not to insult your intelligence, but when a price goes back to where it was, that's not exactly a sign of true strength. I mean, a true sign of strength doesn't necessarily mean it has to go up the entire time, but at least show signs of progress. So on the note of progress, let's look at another scenario. Once again, the price comes down here. However, in this situation, behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now what are these stair steps doing? They're making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to show progress. And, that's why, in my mind, 480s, it was pretty important. It's essentially acting as a vocabulary definer, meaning is the price, quote unquote, going back? That associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress? That associated with bullishness. So 480, that's definitely the key level to watch, or at least what I would watch going forward to help kind of cut through the question, cut through the gray area of, I don't know, is this chart bullish or bearish? Well, let's see if the price can stay up above 480 or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.